When you're backing up these tanks, you gotta get them aligned with that little hole there. Big old triaxle tanks. When you get loaded up, the dang show gonna be over 100,000 pounds. This is the I keep getting asked questions. What's this? Where's that? What's this? Where's that? And just watch the channel and just watch and see what's happening. I have so many questions. Where, what, who, why, when, why, what. Just watch, sit back and enjoy. Start this mug up. Had a few days off with my son's graduation. Where's that? Just watch. Sit back and watch. Let's see. This thing is sitting. See, make sure the batteries ain't dead or nothing. It's gonna take a little second. Well, we'll see if this one wants to start. And it's gonna take a few more cranks. Let's see. Y'all know what that is? She's sitting here. Right now, it's been a long time. Got a call today that we gonna do something fun this weekend. Got a big triaxle milk tank pulling. Going a long run. This thing is gonna weigh over 100,000 pounds. It's gonna be a fun ride. But I can't wait to see what it looks like tomorrow after I can wash the truck. I'll wash the truck tonight. So I can't ride around dirty like I am right now. I am filthy. I wanted to wash earlier, but I just wanted to get over here and get hooked up. The tank is almost done. Once the tank's done, oh, here we go, right here. We're gonna get going now. The fun is only just beginning. At this dairy I've never been to, South Dakota. What's that, 8 bays they got going on around this place? These guys got big tanks. A lot of these guys I see going in are getting filled up. I'm the only one that's dropping raw milk. But it's a big spot. Finally cleaned the truck too, so pretty happy about that. I polished it up pretty good. We're gonna see how it looks with this tank. I haven't really had a chance to stand back and take a good look at it like I really wanted to. But this is the first time we've pulled these big tanks like this. I pulled their normal cylinder tanks like that one, but never have I pulled the big tanks. I like the way she looked with that. I like that. I get my camera, make sure I get me a good picture of that, because I think that's a good look for old girl right there. It says working hard. I had a little weight on it too. All that milk, I think it was like 104, something like that. Got a picture of it. There's some other big rides over there too. But today, it's about that. I'm tired though. I'm supposed to turn around and do another one. probably do at least 2 more for it's over the weekend. But that's what it takes sometimes to get where you're trying to go. Grind. So let's do this. Should have just went. Volga. Volga. The town's name is Volga. Says 45. Well, I think it does widen up here. So 4 lane. Let's go. believe me. Look at that scale going up, 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 uppity, up, up, uppity, up, up, up. All right, coming back from our milk-tastic journey. Waiting on my tank. Crazy thing about this is you gotta look at the little hole. When you're backing up these tanks, you gotta get them aligned with that little hole there. Big old triaxle tanks. When you get loaded up, the dang show gonna be over 100,000 pounds. This is the cool part though. I'll show y'all this before the battery dies. This is where they do the move down milking. Kind of see the main area right here. But it's even better. You can get a pretty good view of it from up here. Got a little waiting area. So they bring schools up here and stuff and do little field trips, but they got the moves on the move now. Look at that, they let them up. Oh, I scared them. I scared them, oh no. That's where they milk them all at. I think I scared that one. It's on its way. It's watching me. I'm scared. Look, the whole herd of them, they're all scared. No, I'm not messing with you. I'm gonna get out of here because I don't want to mess up their operation. That one is watching me. Let me go. All right, let's get back to it, y'all.